guys? This is Jeff from the Watkins Tree Farm. How are you? I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's a beautiful morning here, nice and cool. A little foggy, but hopefully it'll burn off quickly. Today I am going to finish the Christmas trees and drop the tablet into the ground and show you how I'm going to do that since the trees are already planted. It wasn't how I planned it, but the tablets didn't come till yesterday, and we planted the Christmas trees last weekend. So if you look at that video, it should be somewhere up there. You can see us planting the trees. And then I have a surprise for you guys at the end of this video. So stay tuned for the end of the video so you can see what the surprise is. I know you guys will like it. Check out this channel while you're here and see the videos we do. I do work around the house on some home projects, and also we're starting a Christmas tree farm. But right now we're gonna get these fertilizer tablets in the ground, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, these are the Canaan firs, and I'm gonna start with them today. I have a long screwdriver that I've had forever, and I'm going to use it to get the fertilizer tablet in the ground. And then I'm using a 2010-5 fertilizer tablet. So we're going to put that in the ground. This morning before the video I watered the trees so the ground's a little softer, and let's get this going. So I'm just going to move the mulch back and go beside the tree, and I'm just going to make a hole here right beside the tree, going down towards the root. No. This is what the tablet, this is what the tablet looks like. I'm going to put it in the ground. You're in the way, Bo. Come here. So we're just going to take the tablet, push it into the ground, down towards the root, and then cover it up. It just takes time, and I got to do that to all the trees. Here's the big secret. Beth and I have been working on shirts, and we got two shirts. We got this color and we got a dark green, and I want you guys to leave comments below. If you haven't left a comment before, figure out how to do it and leave me a comment on what you think of the shirts and if you like them. Well, that concludes today's video. I wanted to surprise you guys with the shirts, and we've been working on them and trying to get them out there so we can sell them to you guys. And also I wanted to finish up the Christmas trees. So I thank you guys for following along. I ask for your subscription once again. If you like this video, hit the like button. You guys take care. God bless. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.